Hi everyone, I'm Rick from 15 Diamond Billiards, and I am going to try to run these out. There's a little drill I came up with. It's to help running out. This is not a certain situation here. We have 1 diamond up, 2 diamonds up, and 2 diamonds to the side, on both sides. I'm going to start with the 15 on the side, a little angle, just to get it in this area here, cue ball. So I have an angle to come up table, okay? It's a little too much. Want a slight angle. A little stun out would be good. Perfect. Ideally, that's good. All right. Now, keep in mind, this could crash into the 8 ball, which is fine. I mean, ideally, you want to come down here. So I can put a little low so it doesn't. It's a little hard. A little softer would have been better. However, I can work with this. I can go off table with the 11. If I got it here where I wanted it, it would have come back out. But instead, I'm going to go this way, which doesn't really set me up on this 10 ball. But I have to draw it and bring it over. So I made it much harder. I mean, if I go for this shot, the cue ball is going to go all around 3 banks. So I'm going to go for this and go low. It's a hard shot. I got it good. So, alright, now I get the angle to come up closer to the 8 ball. Although it's going to kick out here and possibly, doesn't matter, 8's in the middle, so I go right in. Alright, and like I said, there's many ways to do this. That's pretty good for, I mean, either way I got it, but I'm going to go right in. So that's one way to take care of this. I'll show you another way in a minute. Okay, now I'm going to reset the balls as I did, and I'm going to try this 13 in first. With a slight angle. Alright, get the 15 here. It's not the perfect angle, but yeah, that'll do. Alright, so low left. We got a nice angle on that 11. Again, this is not the only way to do this. A little more would have been better, but alright. Off the break. We got a good angle. It's right in and then try to go out this way over here, okay? Alright, well, that works too. Now I just go straight in. No scratch, good. And that's just another way to do it. I hope you enjoyed that. Try it, let me know what you think. There's many ways to do this, okay? Those are just 2 different ways. Have a good day, everyone.